We're in the Machinist territory now. This one isn't just another name on a list. The Machinist is the Fanatic's right hand. She commands an arsenal of stolen tech. Human, Awoken, Fallen, Cabal, anything she can get her hands on. This tank is city-made. The Machinist has good taste. I'll give her that. Everything's working except the two most important parts, the turret and the nav module. But we are in a junkyard. I've ID'd some possible replacements nearby. This turret's seen better days, but I can make it work. Turrets are online. You get the nav module. I'll cover you. Nav module installed. Your chariot awaits. That energy barrier is a problem violence can't solve. Let's check around for a power source. I'm detecting huge shipping containers of dark ether in here. Enough to raise a Scorned army. The Machinist has been raiding Sysjovian space for years. What she doesn't supply to the other barons, she adds to her hoard.
Shipments! Away! want revenge? I watched Cain die. Pathetic death. The Scorned Barons always stand together. Deny us, but you cannot break us. I bought them time. The Scorn. The Barons stand together forever.
7 down, 1 to go. Then Uldren. It's almost over. It's almost over.
Guardian, I know where Uldren is headed. It's time to end this.